The Universal Staging 3216 Rolling Performance Stage is an ideal solution for customers wanting or needing a professional stage without the timely setup common with concert productions. Once set up, the stage is 32 feet wide and 16 feet deep, complete with 2 stair units and safety rail on the sides and back of the stage. Setting up is quick and easy. First, the stage starts off in its folded position and pulled like a trailer. In its folded position, the stage is 8.5 feet wide and 32 feet in length. The stage has a front axle and a rear axle, so there is 0 tongue weight and can be pulled with a utility cart or any desired vehicle. Independent steering of the front axle and rear axle allows the 3216 to wrap around tight turn areas such as fencing or posts. Using the tow bar, the stage can be easily towed from its storage area to its desired setup location. Once in position, fold the 4-foot flaps down and lower the leveling feet. Add the stair units and safety rail. And like that, you have a professional performance stage in a matter of minutes. It's common for setup times to be very short. To accommodate this, the flaps can be folded down ahead of time and the band can be set up and ready to go before the stage even rolls into position. Once the stage is in position, the performance can begin. Add-ons are available that can create a side stage position for audio mixing, lighting, or other needs.